to Profile Traders. This is Reza and you're listening to our analysis for Wednesday the 19th. So yesterday it was a fury of buying the whole day till the last second. They denied business to the other side. They were acting like yesterday it was the discovery for cure against cancer, or we got news that the economy is growing at 15% or something super extraordinary. No matter where you tried to short it yesterday, if you did not hold your position till the very last second, these little thieves did not allow anybody to make a dime, only to see today coming back and retracing the entire range. Let me tell you very straightforward, as of right now, every single market, ES included, crude oil included, gold included, currency futures included, it is, to an extent which is laughable, hijacked by a group of absolute criminals that they are creating massive chaos in all markets. And where is SEC? Don't ask me where the hell is SEC. I will show you examples of what I'm talking about later on. So for now, it's very clear. In order to go further up, we need to break above 54. And in order to exit to the downside, we need to clear 37-ish. So the trading range is between now 54 to 37. You can create a little buffer zone up there, 52, 54. And you can create a little buffer zone down there, 37.25 to 39.25. You buy the zone below, you sell the zone above until it exits out of one side or the other. Now, exit to the upsides, I don't know. It's very possible. These low lifes know exactly what they are doing. They know that a lot of people are very scared. A lot of people are very hesitant to enter a market after they look at such an absolute ridiculous, laughable chart of S&P, and they do not want to enter. When you do not want to enter, what do? You create and you force hands to enter. How do you create and force a situation where your only choice is to buy? Is when you deny the other side business. You don't allow shorts to make a single penny. As a result, they end up stop shorting, and the only activity that comes into the market is buying. Now, I don't know about you and your experience with charts and technical analysis, but for me, even you come up there and put a cord and hang me from it, I would not touch the buy side up here. This is an absolute scary, crazy chart, and it could just collapse as fast as it went up any given day, any given time, without any given warning. This is nothing but craziness and insanity. And until this doesn't correct to the downside, I believe going long at these levels is extraordinary poor risk reward. But meanwhile, you got the trading range. Until we don't exit this trading range, we're gonna chop and churn. And only good trades location are to trade from the extremes of the rotation, which I gave you the two buffer zones. Now for crude. The same, hijacked like this morning. They took it down, destroyed everything and everybody on the way down, including myself, which got stopped out at 74.10 on my long. My target all day long was 75.5. I only got my butt handed to myself at 74.10 to see it going back to 75.5. Very, very, very tough market condition. You cannot hang into anything too long or it's gone. It's all V-shapes, fast down, fast up, program trading control, manipulation to the core, chaos. That's the word for it, chaos. So same thing as ES now. Buy zone 73.90 to 74.10. Sell zone 75.50 to 75.70. Buy as close as possible to the bottom of the rotation. Sell as close as possible to the top of the rotation. Each time, of course, having very tight stops above and below those two levels. And target the middle of this rotation, and this will continue until again, like yes, either we exit to the downside, in which case it is going to go for another retest of the 73.25, or it's going to go to the upside, and in which case we should definitely go for a test of about 76.5. But before this happened, we have to deal with the rotation that we are in it right now. Now this one really pisses me off. So it was trading fine up there, and then all of a sudden Bloomberg released a news that supposedly that Swiss vote to peg their currency against gold failed. They came in and destroyed it to the downside, only to come back and say that the rumor is fake and that news wasn't the actual vote, but they were preliminary polls. As a result, it came back all the way to 1200 and then back down again towards the lower part. This is exactly what I am telling you when I'm telling you that all markets are hijacked by thieves, by manipulators and criminals, and the law is nowhere to be found, and the regulators are nowhere to be found. But is that really surprising you? No, because that's how it is. We pay them, but they are nowhere to be found, and God knows what the hell they're doing. They're probably somewhere at a street club somewhere, spending the taxpayer money, instead of looking who on earth created such a drop from like 1995 down to 75, 25 points, and why that was created, so that so many people lost money, only to see it going back up again to higher than that point, and then coming back down again. Who are these effing criminals? Can somebody please investigate? But I guess no. Nobody will investigate. SEC has better things to do than doing their jobs. In any case, same thing here now. We will be dealing with extreme support coming in from 76 to 70. If that level of 1170 breaks, or I should say 69, I'm sorry. If the 69 breaks, we are going to 57, and then we are going to 45. So 69 is the line in the sand. As long as we remain above it, there is a chance that if today news was BS, which is known to be BS. We are going to go probably for another retest of 1200. But be very careful trading crude, be very careful trading gold. They are badly hijacked by a very, very, very nasty bunch of people. Again, this was Reza with Profile Traders. Thank you for listening, and if you wish to learn market profile, join our community www.profiletraders.com.